Spice go full housewife settings and cook Thanksgiving dinner for her Rastaman and his family.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. The chef is in the kitchen. Hold on. But I rest my hand right here and talk to no good and proper. Come on to no look for housewife. I want to no look good for housewife. Nobody watch your eyelash. Housewife behavior I'm go today, you know. I come out today. Today, I really come right out. I'm going to show you from step one, or I come out in the kitchen. I don't feel like say girl just can skin out just so. No. Girl can cook. Girl can go in a kitchen and put something together to feed Rasta. Yeah.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Spice is in Atlanta celebrating Thanksgiving at her new house. She said it's her first Thanksgiving ever, and she's there with her boyfriend and his family, and she a cook up a storm. Now Spice talk a bag of things in that video here, right? So we are gonna get to it. She give you a full tour of what she's cooking and her kitchen, her house, everything, right? But first off, you know, Spice come and I tell we say, yo, me cook this and me cook that. And the people around her want deny her like say, Ray, she not do it. So Spice say, all right, me I go show you. So let's take a look at the videos. Here goes.
My friend me that talk. Talk out of your clean mouth. Make them hear, oh, housewife.
A whole bunch of stuff. She a whole housewife now. Period.
A whole one. Show the wagwan. Right there, so I'm going to flip camera and show the wagwan. Because I must think that's how this thing go. This is my potato salad that I'm making, right? Your potato salad have to have a little thickness tonight. Your potato salad can't do mashy. You have to make the potato, you have to can see the potato in it. Dice. And this is not mashed potato. This is a potato salad. So when you do them something, you dice your potato, so you have to still can identify potato in a potato salad. That's a rule number one. Go down in it. The egg me I wait pan right here, so these are my shoe chef. Hey. And them a slow me up. So I know them just a boiled egg. You understand? First of all, it's all blue pots up in here, so y'all take notes. Hold on. Also fix up and nice. Don't worry yourself. This is my Versace room right here. I'm them here ready. So I'm going to go down tonight. Because I think that it's a joke something. Peep right here, so. Because you can't talk over the people, them food. That's curry chicken. Want to look on gravy. Gravy, thick. This is not a joke business. That's a curry chicken right there, so. Outside, I want to feel like, say, girl can just skin out and can't do nothing. Watch Oxtail. Oxtail. And true, everybody has said them love oxtail, me just make whole heap of gravy. Okay, you know, say the oxtail can go up on rice. And the curry chicken can go up on rice. Alright? Hold on, me not done yet.
So we see some of our Spice cook already, but that's not it, people. She have a lot more. And she said the reason why she have to cook so much things is because she have certain people who like certain things from her. So like she have a friend who want curry chicken from her, and she have another friend who want brown stew chicken. So she end up have to cook that. And she have another friend who want oxtail, and she has said if she cook for one only, the next one them are going to say she rate them more than them. You see me I say? So she have a lot more of a show. So let me stop talking and show you some more. Here goes.
Flip camera again. That's a salmon. But the salmon not done yet. You know, say me I go garnish my salmon. Cut piece of lemon, rest on top. I'm have my little honey glaze when I make my sauce, and I soon fix up salmon. Don't worry yourself. That was salmon. Watch right here so now. Over here so. Outside and bright. Flip camera again. That's spicy shrimp right there. Spicy shrimp, that's outside. Look by your son now. You don't know what that? Brown stew, fricassee that, baby. Yeah. I'm going to go show them a lobster. I don't feel like a joke something. Blue horse. Watch blue horse. Yeah. House not done fix up yet. I will pay money for buy furniture. So you have to take your time. You can't kill up yourself. You have to take your time.
So far, Spice show we a bunch of meat kind. We see oxtail, we see chicken, we see salmon. We hear say other fish there around, so we hear say lobster in a oven. You see me, I say whole heap of meat and fish and you know what I mean? But what am I going to eat it with? So Spice I go show we now how the rice and peas go. And she said, this is our signature rice and peas. This is the Shelly rice and peas. And she even have 2 people for test it for her and tell we if it good or not. So let's take a look at that video. Here goes.
Shelly rice and peas over here, so. Let me get a fork, please. Let me get a fork for show them my rice and peas. Shelly rice and peas. This is not a joke, rice and peas. In the front room. Rice and peas. Shelly. Shelly. Uno say Shelly for no see the shell. For no see the shell in the rice and peas. Look here, uno shouldn't put the rice and peas in the oven because the grain them are gonna get hard. Uno crazy. Uno come about the rice and peas for me do. Don't put them in the oven. The rice and peas are gonna get hard out of the front part there so. Uno mad? I have to get some different sous chef, you know.
You got fired.
Taste the rice and peas for me. Come on, you tell them what I want. You taste it already? Shell, you see that? Shell. Shelly. Coconut. 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 Stand up in a rice and peas. Hold on. No, you can't tell me. Hold on. What you say?
I'm a chef.
You're a chef.
Yeah,
Hold
I'm
on.
a Jamaican.
Them put them rice and peas in the oven. Them shouldn't put it in the oven.
Well,
You have to cool your hand.
It cooks the way now. In the oven, it works the same way.
No, hold on. Shell. Hold on. A shell this, you know. If you not a Jamaica me come from. If you not Asian and Trinity, this is a Jamaica rice and peas. And what? Panamanian. Coconut stand up in a rice and peas. Shelly. Shell. Talk out of the clean mouth. Yeah.
Uno hear that, uno hear say the Shelly rice and peas just a jump up and down and a bounce in a pan so. Alright. But what me have to rate though, I rate how Spice them use the shine pan them because when them done them now have to do a lot of dishes. Even though they might cook them in a pan, in a pot, some of them, and then pour in it. I know say some of them you can see like some of them cook straight in the shine pan like that. So that's actually smart. But people, hear me I say now, you know say Rastaman no eat meat. You see me and Spice say fear Rastaman no eat meat and it look like Spice on that part there to right now like Spice stop eat meat. So Spice actually have some lobster tail and some other things. So let's take a look at those. Here goes.
What I'm showing my lobster. My lobster tail outside. I feel like the girl just can't go up on stage and skin out and can't do nothing not gonna work. Everybody want Rasta. Rasta no just come so. Rasta love him belly. Rasta no eat meat. You have to can cook. Hold on.
Oh, we forgot the picture. We forgot the picture of the turkey.
What's going on right there? Lobster mac and cheese. Over here sir, again. Hold on. You don't understand. That's your fuck. You know what that's? You don't know what that's? Alright. Uno no blind, uno see what go on. Now the chef in the kitchen. Watch chef. Watch ya. Oh, me flip right here so I must think I saw the Rasta thing I go. Watch fish. One this for hot up though. Me sorry, me take this out of the pot so early. This is for hot up. So of course you know say when I eat meat. So me have to do for everybody. She said space. Me don't know what kind of Thanksgiving. Let me show you the table because right now the space not there for nobody eat. Watch it. What we're gonna eat? We're gonna stand up and eat. We're gonna stand up and eat. We must have to stand up and eat. Me not understand. There's no space on the table.
While Spice step on the light, she did that chop it up with the fans and while she had do it, you know, me have to cut out some part I ever live. Like the part of me where she just talk, me just take out them part there. You see me? But she actually did a say that her mom was a cook and that's how she learned how to cook. And you know what I mean? She has said, and really her mother teach her though. She says she just naturally, you know, she just love cooking and them thing there. But people, you know, hear Spice say she a housewife and she's the housewife settings. So we know housewife settings go when time dinner done cook, wife you have to call the husband. So let's take a look at that part now. Look how Spice call the Rastaman and tell him same dinner ready. Here goes.
Them in the basement, downstairs. Justin! Babe! Dinner's ready. You can come up now, okay? Yes, please. Yeah. Oh, they wants the baby. Hold on. Come on. She's sad. Watch yourself. Where's Justin? Let me come up here. Justin?
Hey.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I'm going to eat my dinner. I love you guys. Have a good day.
Yes, so I want to see what the queen go on with. I want to see the whole heap of cooking what she put on. You see what I say? And she did also, I say, she could put on 10 pounds with the amount of food that she have. So, you know what I mean, hopefully not still. Because, you know what I mean, it ties them thick like dumplings already. So, she don't need no more of that. You see me? But what Spicy I say at the end of the life now, she has to just live and be happy. Her happiness, that of your goal and for your key in her life. Just for live and be happy. And I want to echo that message there. Throughout, you know what I mean, whosoever listen, I want to echo that message there because at the right thing she attack, you know what I mean, just live and be happy. And right now we see Spice happy, you know what I mean, she around family and her significant other and them look happy. She enjoy, you know what I mean, catering to him when you can see it for herself and, you know what I mean, a whole heap of other things go on. This live is actually on her page, a whole 25 minutes of it, so you can go watch it and you don't have to hear me attack or stop it or cut out anything, right? So big up everybody and to the people and we are celebrate Thanksgiving today. Happy Thanksgiving also. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.